Hey guys, okay, so I'm so excited to finally film this video sharing with y'all some of the things that I picked up during my recent girls trip with Jen to Beverly Hills. We had such a good time. We went earlier in the year, if you guys remember. I believe it was like in was it February or March, and it was so rainy. I didn't stay very long at all. This time we had such, oh my gosh, y'all, we had such a better trip. It was like chill. We spent a lot more time at the hotel. We just shopped a lot. All the Christmas decorations were out everywhere. I actually got a lot of Christmas shopping done too, which I'm not gonna show in this video. I don't think I'm gonna show it all because I think it would be like, it'd be a little ridiculous. And obviously I don't want people to see what I got for them. But what I'm thinking, because I did shop so much, okay, it was a little shameful. I think I'm gonna split this up. So I have a Louis Vuitton bag and a few things that I also got. Like I said, I did get some more like gifts and stuff, but I'm not gonna show those things. It was really fun. Like I truly did Christmas shop while I was there, and it was so much fun. I carried on the whole time, so I thought if I do get anything big, I'm gonna have it shipped home. So this just came, and I'm so excited to open it. That's kind of why I didn't do a video sooner. That and with like, you know, like Black Friday and just the whole like busy shopping week that is Thanksgiving week, which by the way, I hope you guys had a wonderful Thanksgiving. Did I already post a video? Yeah. This is, I think, gonna go up on Friday because I'm gonna do my other gift guide. I need my box cutter. It's so awkward opening a box with scissors. But yeah, so I had the best time. I mean, it was so much fun. This was something that I actually had wanted for years, and it was something that I couldn't get, and you'll see when I show it. If you follow me on Instagram, I think I feel like I'm giving it away, because if you follow me on Instagram, it's kind of obvious what it is, because I polled you guys, and I was like, listen, I'm gonna end up getting what I want to get, because you know how you always like roll your eyes when you see someone's poll like, what color should I paint my house? Like, big freaking decision. Like, would never ask. You know what I'm saying? Like, Instagram, like what, you know, or like, which bag am I gonna spend this money on? Like, you guys decide. Like, I'm gonna get what I want at the end of the day, but I really was like glad that you guys picked the same one. Secretly, I was like, you know, hoping. Well, it's in a really small box. But yeah, so let me show you everything. Okay. I wasn't like flashing my address the whole time. Oh, I took the stickers off. Before I do this though, like I said, I'm doing the Louis Vuitton stuff. I want to talk about the sweater because I also got this there, but I do have some Dior stuff and some Chanel stuff. And like I said, I think it's gonna get a little ridiculous, and I want to show you guys these things and like really, especially this bag and all these things, I really want to like take my time. I don't want it just to be like, here, let me show you, because that's not what I want to do. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you've seen recently I have a Chanel bag that's new that I didn't do an unboxing video for because I had already opened it. And something about the, like, for me, I feel if I get something home and I've carried it a long time, or I've carried it even just a few times, I don't want to do an unboxing video. You know what I mean? Like, what's the point? I don't want to like lie to you and say I'm unboxing something that I'm not. I really just like to open these things with you. I have not laid eyes on any of these things since I got back from LA. So, cool. Okay, I know y'all are like, open the box, Tiffany, just do it. But anyway, so my point is, like, I don't want the video to be like, look what I got, look what I got, look what I got. I love these things. It's something that I collect. It's something that I enjoy. It's something that obviously a lot of you guys enjoy. That's why these videos, you know, you guys seem to like them. So I really want to give these other things kind of like, you know, their appropriate time. So next week I'm doing, or next video rather, I'm doing my holiday home tour. So check that out. I feel like I'm getting sick if I sound a little funny. And then I have, oh my god, and then I have a really fun clothing video at the end of the week. Something like that. Yes, oh my gosh, I thought it was the wrong bag. Oh my gosh, I had a like hard time. So it will be the next, it'll be like a little treat before Christmas, okay? So I promise that will go up. Okay, so first of all, let me talk about how all over the place I am. First of all, let me talk about this. I mean, you've seen it. It's, you know, what am I gonna say about it? I've been wearing it the whole video, so you've seen it already. But I went into Balenciaga with Jen, and I wasn't planning on really buying anything, but I don't like to buy, especially like expensive things either, if I haven't like thought about it already, or I'm not like kind of planning. I don't usually buy things on a whim. I've always loved these sweaters. I just think they're so pretty. And so I went in, and you know, like when you're in a store like Balenciaga or something, there's like, you know, they don't have a whole lot hanging. It's like just one of each piece. It's very spread out. I like that. I think that's so much easier to shop from. But they didn't have this out. They had it hanging, I guess, in like the current color, which was this really sicky lavender, which I don't really love lavender. It kind of like was like one of those like physical reaction like colors where I was just like, oh, but I love the sweater. And so I asked her, I was like, do you have any other colors? And I figured, you know, because usually it's very seasonal things that they have. She was like, yeah, we have black, we have gray, you know, pink, blah, 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 camel. And when she said camel, I instantly pictured it in my mind, and I had never seen this, like actual laid eyes on this color combo. When she said that, I was like, yes, and I like yelled in her face. I was like, yes, that sounds so good. And she was so sweet. And anyways, I ended up getting the extra small. These are large, okay? They're made to fit very large. I really, really love it. If you saw that picture on Instagram where I was wearing this in that little dressing room photo, we were in the sale room at Balenciaga because she was like, oh, all of our fitting rooms are full. Why don't y'all just go into the sale room? And it's literally like, and she was like, just play around, like pick up all this stuff. And I was this close to buying a pair of sneakers, but then I was like, I don't know, you know, I really just, you know, I just wanted to kind of, you know, whatever. But anyways, I really do love it. I think it's really classic. I like it. It's very logo-y, but I don't care. I really love it. Okay, so let me open this. Let me open this. I know, y'all are gonna die, okay? But first of all, let me talk about this holiday packaging. So nice. I'll take out what is in here. So I got 2 more things. For me, at least. I got more things for other people than I did myself here. I got so many of the little bag. Like, they're just, it's so pretty. I was like, throw me in a bunch of those little bags. First of all, for my gifts. But, it was beautiful. And in the window, they had this gorgeous tree. It was the one on Rodeo. It was so beautiful. But I don't know. I just really love this because I have not loved their packaging lately, okay? And these boxes I actually like a lot better with a different kind of bag. They should just do different crazy bags all the time because I just don't love it. Okay, so let me open this, all right? 10 minutes into the video. Okay, so I got, and I'm not gonna like draw this out, I'm just gonna open it and then I'll tell you the story. Is there a story? Kind of. Okay. Okay, I got the little, what is this? The Palm Springs, I never know what the name of things are. The little backpack. This is the redone version. So the original had a flap, like this piece right here that went all the way over the zipper, so it was very hard to get in and out of, and this one is just like so freaking easy. So I really like the black leather accents. I really like how versatile it is, and I really like how much it holds. I took my stuff out and I was like putting it in it. It is very, it reminds me of like the Gucci disco bag. Tiny bag, literally holds everything that one of my Givenchy and To Go in a bags holds. I mean, it's amazing. So what I love about this is that you can wear it a bunch of different ways. So before I tell you how this came about, because you can't get these, like it's really difficult to find these. Okay, so when they first came out, maybe like a couple years ago, I talked to my sales associate at Atlanta and I tried to get one. And she basically kind of like laughed, like when no, you can't get that. Like, no, she didn't say it, but she was like, yeah, you can't find those. They're always sold out. It's always like a wait list and blah, blah, blah. And even if that, like, or, you know, you probably not gonna get one. I don't know. So they're kind of difficult to find. If you see them pre-owned, they're like, people sell them for like, you know, the same price as new. And I don't know. I just thought if I'm going to buy this, I really, you know, want to get, you know, I really just want to get it. And so, you could wear it crossbody like this. So super cute. So, okay, that's the story. So I had been wanting it and just was not in my mind, right? So what I wanted was a monogram bag. I've been saying for a long time on here that I wanted a new, like, monogram bag of some sort, preferably one that was a little structured. I got the Graceful, the hobo bag, you know, which is, it's just very different. It's just not even the same kind of bag, obviously, but it's very soft. It's very, you know, just hobo-y and smooth. This is just a structured, cute little bag, and that's what I wanted. You know, kind of like those little square one. I don't know the names of all of them, but you know what I'm talking about. I wanted something like that, which I'm gonna do a review on the Graceful. I've been carrying it so much, and recently just had probably one of the craziest handbag stories you'll ever hear about. Literally the whole bag filled up with water, okay? I'm not even gonna tell that story. It's still drying out. It's like hanging off of one of my cabinets in the kitchen. We'll talk about that soon. It's fine, but we'll talk. It's like the dumbest story ever. But Anyways, okay, so I wanted something like this, and so I was gonna get the little one. I think it's called like a tambourine, like mini, whatever. I don't know what it is. But it's like a more classic bag. It's got like the red interior. It's really cute. It looks kind of like it's flat on the top, but then it's like it's circular on the bottom. Kind of holds nothing, okay? So visually it looks the same size, but just because of the shape, I could not even fit my Chanel wallet in there. This, I could put that and then everything else that was in my other bag, you know? The strap was a little awkward. And so I'm trying that on, I'm looking at it, and then he comes around the corner, Jen's sitting there, you know, we're kind of like shopping, and he has 2 of these, and he was like, I have to show you this. He was like, because these never come in. Like, it's very rare that we get these, and if they do, someone will grab it for a client that's on a wait list or whatever. He had 2 of them. So the Rodeo Drive store, which they do get in more stuff than the other stores, they had gotten 2 of them. One of them was going to one of his clients that was, I guess, like waiting on one. And he showed it to me and I was like, oh my gosh. And I thought, I didn't come for this one, but this is the one that I wanted years ago. Like, I just put it out of my mind. Like, I never thought that I would end up getting this one. So when he showed it to me, I looked at it and I was like, oh my gosh, like this is so good. And I put that little poll on Instagram and it was like, and it was pretty half and half for a while, but this one I think got maybe like 1,000 more votes or something crazy than the other one. It's like you can wear it like a backpack. Like, how flippin' adorable. You know, it's like on your arm. I kind of like it with the backpack straps on it. I mean, I would wear it like a little shorter, but how cute is that? I'm not gonna lie to you. I don't really like this vibe that you see with people that's like hanging off. I kind of, you know, I would cinch it a little. But yeah, and it's kind of cute. See, I told you, like, this sweater is huge. Like, it is just all over. You're supposed to like pull it down so it doesn't look poochy, I guess. I kind of like it like this, you know, super cute. So, okay, I can't tell you how excited I am about this. It is something that, like I said, I just put out of my mind because I just thought that I wasn't going to get one. And, so I really, really love that. And then this is something that I have not seen on it because I bought the bag and then I ended up going back the next day for more gifts because, you know, my mind was like racing, and for this because I started thinking about this. So I got this cute little chain, how in the world, little charm. And the little pieces are covered with plastic. But I thought this was just a really pretty one. They had one that was like rainbow letters that said Vuitton. And I was gonna get that one because I thought that might be a little, you know, cute to put on here. But then I was thinking about my other Louis Vuitton bags and I was like, I don't think I would put that on those. But I thought this one was really pretty. It's got like kind of big chunky charms. Like I said, they're all covered in plastic. Should I take the time to remove these? I will later, sorry. But then it's got like, these are like enameled, like little charms. It's really in like really nice, like neutral colors. How the hell do you open this? What I wanted to do is clip one end to one of the zippers, right? Or should I put it opposite? I might change it, yeah, because this is the smaller zipper. But that's okay, no, it still works. And then you have like this little chain. I need to take that off. That looks so bad. Oh my gosh, I'm like burning up in this sweater. I'm like so ready to change. But I wanted to wear it for the video so you could see. Oh, that's not hard to get off. Okay. Isn't that cute though? I think that added a lot to it. Oh my gosh, that's the first time that I've seen it because they didn't have one in the store to try on the second day because I had already taken this one, which had already been shipped to me, you know. So how cute is that? Let me shed it so you can see. Kind of just like hangs off. Super cute. Maybe you could even like clip it different places, but I think that is super cute. I think it's so cute. Like if you see a bag like this a lot, it's just kind of like a different cute vibe. I don't know. So I'm really excited about that. Still honestly a little in shock. Like I cannot believe that I have it. And it is always kind of like when you get something on vacation and you want to look at it. Like I kept a lot of my little boxes because I got a pair of shoes, but then a lot of these other things are like smaller boxes. You know, I kept those with me and I just like shipped the bigger things home. But like the rest of the trip, I was like, oh my gosh, I really want that. And then the days that I got home and I didn't have it yet, I was like, I really just want my flippin' bag, you know? So I'm really excited about that. Love their little holiday packaging. And let me show you guys this other thing. So when I was looking for some gifts and stuff, I saw this. And I don't know, it's not up here, but y'all know my wallet that I carry all the time. It's my little like Chanel boy wallet. And it's small enough where it will definitely fit in this. It fits in any of my small bags. But sometimes I do need a much smaller wallet. I find myself a lot of times like taking stuff out of that one just because I don't need it like so full, you know, it just kind of takes the bulk down a little bit. So I decided, do I look like, it's like all propped up on this stool over here. So I decided to get a little wallet, and I saw this one and I thought it looks just so simple. This one I really love because it's the perfect size for just, you know, a few cards. And then it's got this section that's kind of more open where you can put, you know, cash, you could put some more cards, but it does expand, and I feel like you could put a lot in it. So I thought that'd be just such a cute little basic, just easy wallet to have because, you know, I don't feel like I need so many things in my wallet. So sometimes I feel like that one that's a little larger is kind of a waste. But I really love that. And that is the first part of all of this vacation haul shopping video. I'm so tired. It is kind of like later. Like I said, I really am just, I'm so excited. I cannot, I'm going to put all my stuff in it like today. I really am so excited about it. I feel like I've gotten some really good like bags and stuff lately. I'm so excited. And anything new that you've seen, like I will do some videos. Like I said, the Graceful, the new Chanel. I think I'm gonna go ahead and film these because it's gonna be a little longer. It's a lot of little pieces in some of these and then something big. But I think I'm gonna go ahead and film that now. And like I said, that will be up soon. So look for that. And yeah, you guys, I hope that you enjoyed the video and that you are just as excited as I am. I can't believe I found this little guy. So I don't know, if you're looking for something, don't give up on it. I sometimes fall in love with things. If I see it in person, usually if you see something in person, you can get it because they have it. But a lot of times with things like this, it's something that I've seen online and then you can't find it. So you call and you really haven't seen it and like bonded with it yet. So I let it go kind of quickly. But when I actually saw it, I was like, yes, you know, and pictures just don't do it justice. It is so sweet and cute. And you do see these a little bit more often. I do think it's a classic bag. I just love the black. And I think you can definitely add some little charms. Oh, I missed one of the plastic things. Add some charms and like make it fun, you know, so. Or not, it's like super cute on its own. So anyways, really excited about this. I hope that y'all liked the video. And yeah, stay tuned this week. I'm gonna have my holiday home tour, really fun clothing things coming up. And then I will have this next video up for you guys, unboxing the Chanel and the Dior stuff. So thanks for watching, you guys. I love you so much. And I will talk to you very soon. Bye, y'all.